Hi dancers, it's Miss Selman again. Today, I'm going to teach you how to do the halay. The halay is an ancient dance style that comes from Turkey. One important characteristic of the halay is that it's done in a special formation. A formation describes the way that dancers are arranged. The halay is performed either in a straight line or a line that curves and it travels around the room. This dance can also start off in a circle, then break off into a straight line or a curved line. Let's get started. First, start with your feet at home. Remember, home is when your feet are side by side. Now, let's find our right foot. We are going to take 3 steps to the right, starting with our right foot. Right, left, right. Great, let's try it again. 5, 6, 7, and we go right, left, right. Freeze! Now, find your left leg. We're going to add a small kick. Be sure to keep your kicks low and soft so that you don't hurt your neighbor. Kick across your body, then come back home. Kick across your body with your other leg and come back home. Great! Now let's put it all together. 5, 6, 7, and we step right, left, right, and kick, Again, we go right, left, right, and kick, Great work. Now you're ready to form your circle or line to do it with music. Make sure you're holding hands with the people beside you. Now you know how to do the halay in a formation. See you all in the next video, and happy dancing.